Some things are destined to be unforgettable and life-changing. Are you ready for the National Haitian Convention 2023? We are coming together with one voice, one sound to lift up the name of Jesus Christ. From May 26th to the 28th, in the beautiful city of Orlando, Florida, we are getting ready to experience a glorious weekend with special guest speakers, Bishop Eden McGuffey, Pastor Tony Stewart, Bishop Caleb Crooms, Bishop Mark E. Lee Morissette, and our chairman, Bishop Serge Jerome. We will also have thought-provoking workshops for pastors, leaders, and next-generation leaders. We can't forget the afterglow. This year, Jackson Cherry and Bridging the Gap and Lynn Betty William are ready to give you a worship experience like none other. Get ready for revelation, impartation, miracles, and manifestation. Register today at www.nhconvention.com. The National Haitian Convention 2023. We can't wait to see you. Nula.